kids, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start chapter. So read and enjoy.
Chapter 4 Journey to the Moon. Read and enjoy. 16 July 1969, Texas, USA. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take off. Inside Apollo, we are moving off the Earth's surface at great speed, about 40,000 km per hour. All of you just relax. The instrument panel seen fine. The spacecraft was as tall as 30-story building. The astronauts were inside a small capsule or a command module called Columbia. The biggest part of the spacecraft was the rocket Saturn V. It contained all the fuel needed to leave Earth. In 12 minutes, the rocket landed. Inside the command module Columbia, we are finally in space. Yes, we will soon walk on the moon. Astronauts added water to packaged food and ate it. No food particle could be split as it could damage the spacecraft's control, so they were very careful. This does not taste like home-worked food. There is no atmosphere in space to protect the spacecraft from the sun's heat. Earth looks so beautiful from space. As the spacecraft travels, it has to keep turning around. The spacecraft was nearing the surface of the moon. We will land on the Sea of Tranquility. It looks flat, an ideal place for our craft to land. Armstrong and Adrenaline climbed inside the landing craft Eagle. Bye, Michael. We will be back soon. Time to go. Safe landing, Neil and Edwin. I will be waiting for you to return. Colin's job was to orbit the command module Columbia around the moon, waiting for the Eagle to return. As the Eagle neared the moon, Edwin, the Sea of Tranquility isn't really flat. So many deep craters and huge rocks. Where do we land? The scientists on Earth had programmed the computer before takeoff. The computer had not seen the dangerous surface. Quick, let us take over the controls and land on that flat surface over there. Otherwise, we will crash land in a crater. This was not in the plan. The astronauts operated the 16 small rockets which were around the landing craft. These could make the craft turn left or right or go up or down. However, a new problem had cropped up. The rockets are throwing a lot of moon dust. I can't see anything. I don't know where we are going. Suddenly, look, Neil, the contact light. We have landed on the moon. That's great. Armstrong announced the historic moment to Earth. Hooray! We have done it! Cheers! The Eagle has landed! The astronauts had to wear a special suit before stepping on the moon. Lunar module pilot, core tube cap dispenser, primary life support system, hammer, commander, core tubers and rammer, collection bag, primary life support system, pen light, special environmental sample container, 70 mm camera, 20 bag dispenser, 70 mm lens camera, tongs, scoop, checklist pocket, cuff checklist. Commander Neil Armstrong, the first man to step on the moon. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. These words made history. Now for some fun, We could be great high jumpers here. This is so much fun. The moon has very little gravity compared with Earth. Since there is no wind on the moon, the footprints left by the astronauts will remain forever. The two astronauts installed some instruments on the moon. These would send information to Earth. They also collected rock samples for our scientists to study. Then they started their return journey to Earth. Wonder where Michael is. Will the Eagle latch successfully with the Columbia? Meanwhile, Michael Collins was waiting for his colleagues. They are back finally. Soon, it was a success. We did it! Hooray! It took 3 days to return to Earth. Earth's gravity pulled the spacecraft back.
I hope you enjoyed this chapter. We will meet in the next chapter. Thank you so much.